everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of YouTube channel, I will be showing you how to change your password in Roblox. To begin the process, open the Roblox application and then get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the horizontal line inside the circle at the very bottom right. Tap that. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on settings. In the settings, you need to tap on account info, tap that. Now from here, you need to tap on the password and just beside the password, you will have the edit icon. You tap that. Once you tap that, you will have the option to change the password. For that, you type in the current password and then type in the new password. Type in the current password on the top, then below you type in the new password. And then again confirm the password by retyping the same password. Then tap on update. You have successfully changed your password. So this is how you can change your password in Roblox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.